Meaning of gangmaster.
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 Gangmaster. Gangmaster is a term used to describe a person or organization that provides workers, often migrant or temporary workers, to employers, particularly in the agriculture and horticulture sectors. Such gangmasters typically charge fees for their services and may also provide housing and transportation. The term often carries negative connotations due to reports of exploitation, poor working conditions, and labor violations associated with gangmasters. In some countries, including the UK, gangmasters are regulated by law to prevent these abuses and protect the rights and safety of workers.